Hey guys, it's Al at Long Lake Marina. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We do have boats to sell. You want to be on the water by the 4th of July? We got you. Come on in and check them out. We have boats in stock from Nautique, including this G23. We have boats in stock from Centurion towboats like this beautiful RI 230, nicknamed Gold Member, Nautique S23. In stock Barletta Lusos, take all that in. In stock boats from Godfrey pontoons, including this sweet Monaco. Boats in stock from Tahoe pontoons.